Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you turn on partner offers notifications on your Bolt app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for us list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on your name. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, so then you click here on communication preferences. So then you come to this list here, then you click here on partner offers here. So then you come to this list, and all you have to do, you just come to here for email. You can turn on it for email, for up here, and here for email. So then here for SMS, and like you see this color show for us, that's main partner offers on with us now for notifications. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.